Standard First. Subject English. Chapter 1 and Many. Welcome children. Today we will learn the difference between one and many. एक आणि अनेक. Let's learn with the help of pictures. See, this is one balloon and these are many balloons. एक फुगा, अनेक फुगे. This is one bird and these are many birds. This is one kite and these are many kites. This is one bus and these are many buses. Now let's do an activity. I will show you some pictures and ask you questions. You will answer them. See, this is a train. Now let's count and tell how many trains are there. 1, 2 trains. Good. Now let's count how many boats are there. 1, 2, 3. 3 boats. Good. Now let's count how many cars are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cars. Good. Now let's count how many bicycles are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bicycles, ma'am. Very good, children. Hope you must have learned the difference between one and many.